guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a very simple design, the polka dot design. For this design, I'm going to be using a white polish and a black polish. So right now, I'm just going to apply the first coat of my polish, my white polish. I'm applying a very thin coat, and I also want to make sure the polish covers all the surface of the nail. I'm done applying my first coat. Now I'm going to put that into my nail lamp to dry. I'm going to put it for 30 seconds. The nail is dried now, so I'm going to go in with my second coat. I'm also going to make that as thin as possible, and I'm going to make sure it covers all the surface of the nail. I am done applying my second coat, and I'm going to put it into my nail lamp to dry. I'm going to put it in there for 1 minute. The nail is dried, so now I can begin my design. For this design, I'm going to be making use of a black polish, and I'm also going to be making use of a dotting tool. My dotting tool has two sides, a bigger side and a smaller side. I'm going to be making use of both sides. But first off, I would be starting with the bigger side. Now for this design, you're going to need to dip your dotting tool into whatever polish you want to use to make your polka dots. In my case, I'm using a black polish. Now when you dip it into the polish, you're just going to place it on the nail. Now as you can see, it's forming little dots, hence polka dots. So you're just going to keep going into your polish and placing those dots all over the nails. You can either put few dots or you can put as many dots as you want. It's up to you. Now I'm going to switch sides on my dotting tool, and I'm going to use a thinner side because I feel I've put enough big dots, like bigger dots. So now I want to put smaller ones. Personally, I don't like my polka dot design looking scanty. I like it to be a bit full, but not so full though. There's no particular pattern to placing your dots. You just place them in more of a scattered way. Don't put it in a straight line or a slant line. Don't do any of that. You just place it however your hand goes. I'm satisfied with the way the dots are now, so I'm just going to put that into my nail lamp to dry. I'm going to put it in there for 1 minute. This is dried now. The next step is to apply my top coat. For this nail, I'm going to be using the OPI gel top coat. I'm done applying my top coat, and I'm going to put this into my nail lamp to dry. I'm going to put it in there for 1 minute. We've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.